Today we have a pretty special Aston Martin, a 1989 Aston V8 Vantage Volante. It is restored. It has limited mileage since restoration by some of the best in the business. It is complete with a 7-liter RS Williams engine, so it has plenty of horsepower and plenty of torque. You will see how it pulls, and it pulls with the best of them. So we'll tell you a little bit of the history during the road test. So we're going to start it up. It has been running in the basement. We did bring it up. Let's turn the immobilizer. Fires right up. We are going to go and fill this one up with fuel as well. And I think we're going to start not caring about cold starts because I find them to be worthless. We are going there. Every car has got a starting procedure, and hopefully it should start quite properly. We're going to look at temperatures, pressures, and make sure that the car is a viable entity when it's running. How's that? So we'll be back here. We're going to be off to the fuel station for a moment because we are on fumes. So we'll be right back here. Well, as we warm it up, we're going to turn the heat on a little bit because it is a bit of a frigid day out here.
It's cold today, too.
And luckily I have Jason here to remind me, because it's not like I couldn't go like this because it is cold. We're going to go and put some petrol in. Okay, petrol filled. Check. Operating temperatures, check. Awesome V8 Vantage Volante with 7-liter engine, check. Heater works, check. Temperatures, perfect. Oil pressure, perfect. Even at 3,000 RPM, as it should be at operating temperatures, even better, 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 better. So we can get on it in a little bit. I'm going to take some back roads as soon as this light turns green. Watch this one. This one's special to me. I think this is like the POV cars. Every now and then you got to do this. Open the door, close the door. Open the door, close the door. Okay, so right. I am losing it. Get the wave. This is the longest light. Okay, there we go. We'll take some cool back roads. Let's see. Let's merge over here. Share the road with these fine folks. Enjoy a couple of Long Island's nicest back roads. It is fact that I love V8 Astons. Have several of them in my own garage collection, and think they do everything extremely well and right, especially when they're dialed in well. So we're going to get onto this road now. Funny thing about this V8 Volante, I should say Vantage Volante, is the fact that it was born in '89 as a left-hand drive car, which would make it more rare, but was converted almost immediately to right-hand drive for a client. So, you know, coming down the assembly line, they didn't exactly know what they were going to be. And this one never made it to the colonies. It continued to stay in the UK and have a very nice life. It's had a good life to date and has always had the best hands touch it. But we we wouldn't think twice if someone were interested in converting it back to left-hand drive. Although I don't think there's a need, as long as you can shift with this puppy, the left hand. And in which case, it'll always be available to an English clientele. This is not exactly the road to get on it, but you can see with the handling kit, it is very happy. And wonderful brakes. But she is no slouch. She is very fast, and she is happy. We're going to take this particular road towards our flybys, and just some more curves, some more twisties. I think I've said this in other videos, but V8s are surprisingly nimble if they're set up well. And this one is, without a doubt, set up well. Well, we're just going to follow traffic here for a couple of seconds until we pull in for our flybys and let Jason out. One thing really cool about this car is I believe the boys at RSW actually changed the rear end ratio to 307, so it is more than capable of cruising at high speeds and has plenty of torque at the low end because of the 7-liter. It's exceptional. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed the flybys. We're going to be a little more mellow now, because there's no two ways. This Aston is perfect. It is got a lot of horsepower with a capital H. It has got a lot of grunt with a capital G. And it's fit for royalty with a capital R. How's that? For an Anglophile with the last name Papadopoulos. So anyway, safe to say this one's turnkey. And we'll be back to the homestead, clean it up, put it away, and be quite interested to see who might be interested in having a right-hand drive car in the United States. Doesn't really bother me at all. I have several, but and I think it's cool, you know, in a James Bondish sort of way. So hope you like it. Thanks for riding with us.